Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for all of the love on my DR vlog. But today I am back with a makeup tutorial. Sorry to those that may be subscribing for more vlog style content. My channel is definitely a beauty channel still, so at least half of what I do is going to be beauty related videos. But I did just start vlogging again. Like, I'm going to do a weekly vlog as well. So just watch the videos that you're interested in. So if you were here for more vlog style content, if you're someone that subscribed to me, found me because of my DR vlog, you might not like this video. Today's video is going to be this tutorial of this eyeshadow makeup look with the Huda Beauty Nude Palette. I know I'm a little behind on filming with this palette. I've had it for, I don't even know how long. When did I get, is it like 6 months? Maybe not quite 6 months yet, but I've had it definitely for some time. I love this palette, it's so beautiful. This is what the inside looks like if you aren't familiar with it. So if you wanted to see how I created this cute daytime but glam cut crease, then just keep watching. So first I'm starting off by priming my eyelids. I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I usually just use my concealer. Now this is going to, conceal any of the like redness and stuff I have on my lid, and also just going to create a really great base for the eyeshadow to stick to and show up true to color. Now I'm just setting it with the lightest shade from the Huda palette called Bear. And next I'm dipping into Play, which is just one shade darker, and running that through my crease with the same blending fluffy brush. I'm building up color by next dipping into the shade Teddy and switching to a smaller blending brush. And now I'm just focusing that product on the outer V of my eye. And bringing it on in. Also, I'm going to be taking this color along my entire lower lash line. Next, to build up the color even more, I am dipping into the shade Raw and just applying that over the last shade. In between steps, you want to make sure to switch back to your blending brush to blend each shade together without adding any more product on. And once it's blended, then go ahead and dip in a little darker and apply more product. Once again, just blending that out. Now I'm going back in with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and a small concealer brush, the same one I used before. I use this one just because I can get a really precise line, and I'm going to be cutting the crease of where I want my cut crease to be. I always cut my crease slightly above my actual crease to make my eyes appear bigger and so that it shows even when my eyes are open. Now I'm packing on the shade Crave on the inner portion of my eye. And on the middle of my eye, I'm going to be packing on the shade Charmed. Now I'm applying my mascara. And lastly, I'm going in with Lily Lashes in the style Caviar. When applying my lashes, I usually stick it on first and then
individually secure the outer portion and the inner portion. Once you have it in the right spot, just apply some pressure, squeeze it together with your natural lashes just to make sure that they last you all day.
So that completes this look for today. I absolutely love how it came out. I feel like you can wear this look from day into night. I love wearing like earth tones and like more natural colors that kind of accentuate your look. I love wearing like neutral colors and stuff that accentuate my blue eyes, and my whole style of makeup is makeup that kind of like accentuates your beauty instead of distracting from it. So I like wearing like these kind of colors. This entire palette is so my vibe. Yeah, I just like any kind of colors that are just going to make you look your absolute best without making it look like you have a shit ton of makeup on. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It really helps so much. If you can, just like this video before you leave. And also, if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel for more tutorials and vlogs. And also drop a comment below. I respond to every single comment. So if you have any specific questions or any kind of comments, anything you want to say, go ahead and you will hear back from me. Also, for more makeup inspo, you can follow me on Instagram. My handle is @makeup_Cara, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.